Hey guys, welcome back to the Python series, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install Python onto your computer and set up an IDE or code editor so you can start writing your first Python program. So let's dive right in. Alright guys, so let's start installing Python onto our computer. So first we will open up our web browser and we will navigate to python.org. After that, we'll go down to the download section and we'll click on it. And now guys, we'll simply click this download button. Now if you guys notice, I'm currently on Windows. If you guys are on Mac or any other operating system, you can still follow along because the process is identical. So you will simply click on this yellow download button. After Python has been downloaded, you'll simply click on it to open it. And now guys, you'll be presented with the installation wizard. So now, since I'm on Windows guys, I'll get these two checkboxes. So use admin privileges, we'll select that, and we'll also click on add Python to path. After that, we'll click on this install now button, which will pop up a prompt asking us to allow the app to make changes to our device. We'll simply click on yes to continue with the installation process. And now Python will start installing onto our computer. Alright guys, so once the installation was successful, you'll see a screen like this. We'll simply click on close. And now you guys should have Python onto your computer. Now guys, the next step is to install a code editor or IDE that we can use to write our Python code. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is simply a text editor with advanced features that we can use to write our code more easily. Now guys, there are many code editors and IDEs, but for this Python series, we're gonna be using Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Now guys, in your web browser, navigate to code.visualstudio.com. After that, you will see a download button. In my case, I am on Windows, so it will show download for Windows. If you're on Mac, it will show download for Mac. If you're on Linux, it will show download for Linux. So you'll simply click on the download button, and after that, it will start downloading Visual Studio Code. Now guys, after it has been downloaded, you will simply click on it to open it. Now guys, you will be presented with a screen like this. You will simply click the I accept the agreement button, and then you'll click on next. It will then ask you to choose a location where you want to install it. I'll simply click next for the default location. It will then ask you if you want to create a shortcut within the start menu. I'll simply click on next. It will then ask to create a desktop icon. I'll select each one of these checkboxes. And then I'll simply click on next. And then I'll click on install. And now guys, it will start installing it for us. And let's wait on that installation to complete. Now guys, after the installation has been completed, you'll simply click on finish and it will launch Visual Studio Code. Alright guys, so once it has been launched, you will simply go down to this button where it says extensions, and you'll simply click on it. After that, you will search for Python, and then you will click the Python extension, and you'll simply click on install. After that, it will install our extension. Now guys, once the extension has been installed, we would have successfully installed Python onto our computer and also set up our IDE. And in the next video guys, we will start writing our first Python program. So I'll see you guys in the next episode.